Hey guys, how are you guys doing today? It's Angelo, I Go Web Solution. We are reviewing the Chime checking and savings banking. Amazing and reliable bank. They have no fees with spot on to cover any overdraft. Referral code is on the description of this video. Easy and fast approval will both get $50 to $100 depending on the current promotion they have. Right now, we'll both get 100 if you sign up with my referral link down on the description of this video. You just have to have 200 or more direct deposit within 45 days of opening to get the $100. All right, let's talk about the benefit time. Easy sign up and approval, no credit check, no monthly fees, no annual fees, no minimum balance requirement. The best part is getting your direct deposit paycheck 2 days early. That's the best part that I love. 24/7 customer support, super responsive, FDIC insured, so don't worry about your money. Secure Visa debit and credit, more than 60,000 ATMs. I usually withdraw at the closest 7-Eleven, free ATM or deposit free, and usually at any Walgreens location. Super reliable. Love this bank and I've had it for many years. Super reliable and it's the best. Yeah, I hope that this video gives value to you. Please don't forget to subscribe and like for more helpful videos.